Hey there! Today I have an Amazon Prime wardrobe unbagging for you. So if you're not familiar with Amazon Prime Wardrobe, it's a free service for Amazon Prime users where you can actually try before you buy. And I've actually tried this service quite a few times and I have found some pretty nice things maybe over the past year and a half or so. And it is kind of nice when you order from Amazon to be able to try things on before you actually have to pay for it or commit to buying. Although a lot of times with Amazon Prime, it's pretty easy to return things. Okay. So actually this order, I placed it on April 19th, and I just got it like a few days ago, and it's right now, what is it? It's June 7th. So it did take quite a while for me to get it, but typically it doesn't take that long. I mean, I would say in the past, my Amazon Prime orders had taken maybe about a week to 2 weeks. But anyway, so back in April, I did order mostly stay-at-home, or I think everything is stay-at-home clothes because, hey, that's the environment we're in. Of course, now things are starting to open up, but not completely. I'm still working from home, although now, like some of the stores have opened and some of the restaurants and even theaters here have opened, which is interesting. I'm not sure if I'm going to be heading to the theater just yet. Yeah, but for this order, I focused mainly on comfortable, casual basics, and I noticed most of the items were from the Amazon brand Daily Ritual, which is actually a favorite of mine, and I've gotten so many nice t-shirts and comfortable whatevers from that brand. Okay, so with Amazon Prime Wardrobe, it's just basically you get everything usually in either a plastic bag like this or a box, and they're all in their plastic bags. So you can actually order up to 8 items, but like for this one I just have 7 items here. There's another item that they said was not yet shipped, so I'm not sure what happened to that. It was just a comfy pair of shorts. If I get it this week, I'll try to tack that on, but if not, maybe another video. Well, we'll see. Okay, so here are my 7 items, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take everything out of the plastic, then I'm gonna try everything on, and then we'll come back and we'll talk about it. Okay, so I tried everything on, and not bad. I think I did find some cute things that I definitely can use during this mostly stay-at-home period. Not everything though, not everything worked out. So first of all, I've been looking for some nice denim shorts, that are comfortable and that fit well and look nice. And currently my favorite shorts are these mauve shorts that I got from Stitch Fix. I really love these, but they were $58. I mean, to be honest, I've really got my money's worth because I wear these a ton. Whenever they're clean, I wear them. And I've been looking for a long time to find something similar that I could wear so I don't always have to wear the same shorts every time. So I saw these Daily Ritual shorts. So I got them in 2 different washes. So I got this medium wash in a size 28 because I wasn't sure, right, which one to get. So I got a 28 and I got a 27. So this one is the Daily Ritual Women's Denim Turn Cuff Short. It did have really good ratings. It was Amazon's choice, 136 reviews, and 4.5 stars. It's 89.5% cotton, 7% polyester, 3.5% elasticine, and 4-inch inseam. So I thought, okay, these could work, but I wasn't really sure what size to get. So I did get 2 sizes. So this was the size 28, which is my typical size. I don't know, I was maybe wishful thinking, got 27 too. But I thought actually these were a little tight on me, and even though they were the 28. And I thought the length was okay, but it does have this unfinished hem here, which gets turned up, but I really don't care for, I don't know about you guys, I know this is kind of more a style thing, but I noticed as soon as you wash these, you get all the strings hanging, and then you gotta, I cut them, but I don't know, maybe that's the look. But yeah, so these, I thought they were cute, but they were just a little bit tight. And then I also tried on this dark wash, which actually, I like the dark wash better, but I got it in a smaller size. And there wasn't that much difference. It was tight, but the other one was tight too. So I think it's just the way it's cut. See how it tucks in the waist? But I'm thinking, you know, these are not bad. It might be worth trying the next size up, which would be a 29. So if you're interested in these, I will link everything down below. I mean, these are nice shorts. I mean, they look very similar, I think, right, to these. But yeah, I don't know. They are really stretchy. So possibly if I size up, maybe these could work just because it's so stretchy. And I like that because that makes it more comfortable. Okay, and the medium wash was $13.30 and the dark pair was $19.08. So you'll notice with Amazon, their prices kind of fluctuate, even if it's the same item, but different colors and different sizes. So if I go up to a size 29, which is the 8, oh, currently unavailable. Shucks. So I can't even order the bigger size. But anyway, so I'm gonna have to keep looking for a nice mauve dupe short, or just order another pair of mauve shorts from Stitch Fix. I can always go to their website and see if it's available. Let me see. Yeah, sometimes you can actually buy things again from Stitch Fix if they have it available, but I don't see it. Shucks. Oh well. Okay, and next I got this top. And this is also by Daily Ritual. And this is the women's super soft terry deep v-neck roll sleeve shirt. And I got it for $24.61. I actually have ordered this shirt before. I got it in like a dusty rose color, and I do really like it. This material is just very, very comfortable. It's very soft. It's a little on the thicker side, but it's not like sweatshirt material thick, but it's kind of a light terry, I guess that's what it's called. And I just really like it. So the other shirt I've had has washed really well. And I think this is actually, you know, just a nice casual top. And this is 97% rayon, 3% spandex. I got it in a color navy, so this is a navy one. And you can see, like, this is the inside. It's kind of a fuzzy inside and just kind of a smooth outside. So just a really basic navy top, not very exciting. But yeah, I really like this. I think it's so comfortable. So I'll probably be keeping this. Okay, next, I got another top. And this is also by Daily Ritual. And it's the women's super soft terry short sleeve shirt with shirt tail hem. It's the same material. I don't know if you noticed, I actually really love this super soft terry material. The price that I got it for was $23.81. So comparable in price to the other one. I got this one in a size small, and I think the other one was a size small too. And yeah, it's just a very basic looking t-shirt top, except the material is a little thicker. It's soft, and yeah, you'll see here's the inside, similar, fuzzy. I kind of like this too. I mean, it's so basic, not the cheapest, but cute. I think this could actually work if you wore it with leggings, you know, like I don't usually wear leggings outside the house other than walking the dogs, but you know, if you had like a cute pair of leggings, this could work, I think. So yeah, this is something I'm also definitely considering keeping, just a cute basic that you could throw over a lot of things. Okay, and next, I got this t-shirt. And this is by the brand Good Threads, which is also a Amazon brand. And I got it in a size small. And this is the Good Threads women's washed jersey cotton roll sleeve v-neck t-shirt. And it's 100% cotton, which, you know, sometimes I like stuff with like a little spandex or some polyester. But, you know, I have to say, this is a very nice, comfortable material. And you see it has a little bit of interest. It has the rolled sleeve. It's a very bold stripe. But I like the cut on this. Actually, I got another Good Threads t-shirt kind of a while ago. I'll show it to you real quick. I think it's in my last Amazon haul. But yeah, here's the other one I got. And see, yeah, this one has a pocket. So it's a slightly different style. But I really like this, you know, and I've worn it a lot. And it's 100% cotton too. So that makes it very breathable. And the size small, it's washed well and looks the same. So I do really like this brand. My price would be $12.75. I see on the website it's going for $15. So that's not like the absolute cheapest for t-shirts, because I know you can get some pretty nice t-shirts from, say, Target for $8. But I think these are very nice t-shirts, and also I like the cut. I think it's kind of slimming. So yeah, this one I'm definitely thinking about keeping. They have a lot of other colors and styles, I think. Yeah, so we'll see. Okay, next. I selected this top with the hood. This is a hoodie. Yeah, I mean, I don't know, I just thought it was different. And it is, again, that super soft terry, so it's the Daily Ritual Women's Super Soft Terry Hooded Short Sleeve Sweatshirt. And I got it in this heather gray, oh, they call it space dye. I just love this material, to be honest. But I think this, for me, I don't know if I'd get much use out of it just because I live in Hawaii and it was a little bit warm, you know, and I don't really need the hood, but I just thought I'd try it. I thought that might be cute. Maybe cute on someone else because I think for me, maybe it's more of a sporty athleisure kind of look. But yeah, since I'm not much into exercise, I sadly I've tried exercising, it just didn't stick. Yeah, I don't see myself using it, but this would be great to throw on over exercise clothes. But yeah, so this one is, what is the price on this? $23.81. And you know, I do think this is nice, and I do love the quality I've seen from the super soft terry line from Amazon. But yeah, I think for me, maybe this is a pass. I just thought I'd try it. Okay, and lastly, I got these pink joggers. And these are the Daily Ritual Terry Cotton Crop Jogger. Yeah. It also has a sweatshirt, but I just got the joggers. Imagine if you put the sweatshirt and the joggers together. I think that'd be cute. But yeah, these are, it's not the super soft terry. It's just like a regular terry. So this is what the inside looks like. So it's a nice thick material. It has pockets in the front, and it has one pocket in the back. It's got a very nice, substantial waistband with a drawstring. And here's the cuff. These are actually really nice joggers. And I like that it's cropped, so the length was, I thought, just right for me and pretty cute. And I got it in a size small. I was debating, sometimes I would maybe just go for a medium because I don't like things to be too fitted, you know, especially like this kind of stuff with a knit material. But I think they looked okay. I would say a little snugger than I usually like, but not terrible. And I would say probably as you're wearing it, it might stretch out a bit. So these would probably be the right size. I think if I got a medium, they'd be too big. And these were $28. So $28 for these. I don't know. I'm not sure if I'd be wearing these a lot, so I'll probably pass on these, but I do think they're nice. Okay, so that was everything I got in my Amazon Prime wardrobe this time. I thought I actually got some pretty nice things. I mean, the shorts were kind of a miss, but I might try a bigger size. I liked all these super soft terry things, maybe except for that hoodie. So I'm debating. The price-wise, they weren't the cheapest, but I'm gonna have to really think about it. I mean, they're just basics, so I could definitely get a lot of use out of it, so we'll see. T-shirt was really nice and just good quality. Something I can definitely make use of, so I'm thinking about keeping that also. Probably pass on these two, but they're nice, and like I said, I think the quality is good, but just for me, I probably won't be able to get a lot of use out of it. But anyway, let me know what you guys thought of the clothes, and yeah, in the comments below. I always do like to see your comments, so and thank you so much for those of you who do leave comments. I don't always get back as quickly as I should, but I do try to respond to everybody. Okay, but anyway, that's all I have for today, and now I'm gonna call my two furry companions who are just lying down and looking very tired. It is a hot day today, and they really do enjoy the air conditioning. But anyway, okay. Guys, you wanna help me say goodbye? I just see the eyeballs. Okay, we'll get you a treat. What do you want? Do you want a greenie? I think we're gonna get greenies today. That's one of their absolute favorite things in the whole wide world. Okay, here we go, and we're gonna break this in two. Okay, and then of course I give the slightly bigger size, okay, to Sammy. There you go. And as you can see, they actually got groomed this week because groomers are open, and actually hair salons are now open, so I have an appointment for a haircut, but not until like 3 weeks from now because my stylist is overwhelmed, unfortunately, because he's so good. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I do a lot of shopping hauls and unboxing videos, and if you enjoy watching those kind of videos, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you next time.